Is Udemy still worth it in 2026? If you're thinking about buying a Udemy course, that's probably the question you should be asking before looking for a coupon code. And after looking at where online learning is heading in 2026, the answer for most learners is yes. Here's why. The job market is changing fast, especially with AI transforming how people work. More professionals are learning skills like ChatGPT, AI automation, Python, data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and business strategy to stay competitive. Udemy has continued expanding its AI, certification, and career-focused learning offerings to meet that demand. What makes Udemy different is that it focuses heavily on practical skills. Instead of spending months learning theory, many courses are designed to help you apply what you learn immediately. Whether you're a freelancer, blogger, agency owner, e-commerce seller, SaaS founder, student, or professional, that's often exactly what you need. Another reason Udemy remains popular is the sheer variety. There are hundreds of thousands of courses covering everything from AI and programming to business, marketing, design, leadership, finance, and personal development. Some of the platform's most popular courses continue to be in Python, web development, AWS, data science, digital marketing, and AI-related topics. Of course, Udemy isn't perfect. Course quality can vary because different instructors create the content. That's why checking reviews, ratings, enrollment numbers, and course updates before purchasing is always a good idea. But overall, if your goal is learning practical, job-relevant skills at an affordable price, Udemy remains one of the strongest online learning platforms available in 2026. And if you're planning to enroll in a course, don't pay full price before checking the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, current promotions, and available coupon offers that may help you save money on your enrollment. And if you enjoy finding verified software deals, online course discounts, coupon codes, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.